Hey friends, and welcome to math. We're going to start with a little warm up. I want you to look at this number line, and we are going to count by fives today, starting at 0. And then we're going to practice taking hops on the number line. So let's go ahead and start. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, scroll down, 85, 90, 95, 100. The very, very cool thing about number lines is that we can show our hops. So we are taking hops of 5, right? So every hop here, 5 has changed. So we can say each hop we are adding 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So practice with me on your screen and see if you can help me hop to the next number. So I'm going to keep going, but let's start again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Great, we're going to stop there now that we're warmed up. All right, folks, we're getting super great at number racks and making sure that we're watching numbers in a quick fashion and trying to group numbers together. So we're going to play quick look. We've done it before. We're going to play again. However, this time we are going to also record numbers that are one less and one more. So when I say eyes up, you're going to look at the number rack. Ready? Eyes up. How much did you see? What did you see? How did you see it? Let's take a look. Did you see 4 and 3? What does that make together? Good. So now that I have my 4 and 3, what number would be one more? If you need to, get out your number rack and do this with me. What would be one less? So one less, I would take one away, and what do I have? I have 6. What would one more be? You are correct. It would be 8. So what you need is you need this paper. And we are going to put our actual numbers that we see down this line. And then we are going to record one less and one more. Are you ready? Okay. Let's start again. And eyes up. What did you see? How much did you see? Let's look again. Oh, we have 5 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Let's record that. How much is that? Did I say 5 on the top? 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And that is what altogether, friends? You said it. It is 5. Okay. What is 1 less? If I were to take this bead away, how much would be there? You are correct. It's 4. What if I were to add 1? How much would be there? You got it. It is 6. Wondering if you can see a pattern. Eyes up. What did you see? How did you see it? Let's look. Did you see 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom? How much is that? How did you figure it out? Did you count 6, 7, 8, 9? Or are you still counting all? Or did you know this was 5? So you could go 6, 7, 8, 9. How much is it? It is 9. So let's think about 1 less. 1 less would be how much? How much is that? 8. What about 1 more? What would that be? 10. Let's fill that in. So 1 less would be 8. 1 more would be 10. Eyes up. What did you see? How much is there? Let's take a look. Oh goodness. I know these reds are 5. So I could say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I could say, I know that this is 6 because 1 more than 5 is 6. And I know that 6 and 4 is how much? 10. What if I take away 1? How many? What if I add 1? What is it? So I have 10. 1 less was 9. 1 more is how much? 11. Nice job. Ready? Eyes up. How many? You ready? What did you see? Oh, I'm hoping that you're starting to recognize that this is 5, right? We know these red ones are 5. 6, 7, 8. If you still need to count, that is fine, but start trying different ways to find numbers. So we do have 8. So let's come over here next to the dog. We're going to write 8. Now you find 1 less and 1 more. 1 less than 8 and 1 more than 8. All right, ready? Eyes up. What did you see? How did you see it? Let's take a look. Oh, did anybody see 3 and 3? Did you just know that that was 6? Did you see that this is 3 and count on? 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, so we know it's 6. Whoops, that was weird. So let's write 6. So use your number rack to figure out 1 less than 6 and 1 more than 6. 1 less means we slide 1 over. What's left? 1 more Means we add one. What is it? Good job. Eyes up. What did you see? How did you see it? Let's take a closer look. Oh boy. I know that if I have 5 red and 5 red, what does that make? It makes 10. And so if I have one more, what is that? You're correct. It is 11. All right, so use your number rack. Take one away from 11. What did you have? What do you get? Okay, bring your 11 back. Add one more. What do you get? So there's my 11. If I add one more, what do we have? You are correct. It is 12. I'm not going to fill them all out. I want you thinking too. Ready? Eyes up. What do you see? How do you see it? I'm wondering if anybody notices there's no beads over there. So that means how much is up top? You got it. There's 10. And 5 more, what is that? It's 15, correct. Okay. So if I'm counting back, that means it's 1 less. What's 1 less than 15? You got it. It is 14. I think I see a pattern. 14, 15. What is one more? 16. Good job. All right, here's another one. Eyes up. What did you see and how did you see it? My goodness, did anybody notice there is only one single bead over here? If we're thinking, that tells me how much is over here. I could also say, well, I know there's no beads over here, so that's 10. And 1 less than 10 over here would be 9. 10 and 9 make how much? 19. Nice job. Okay. So you take away 1. What is 1 less than 19? You got it. It is 18. So we have 18, 19. What's 1 more? You are correct. It's 20. Eyes up. What did you see and how did you see it? Again, I am noticing there is no beads over here. That means that all 10 are here. So I could say the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or I could have seen that red 5 were here. So 10 and 5 more is 15. 1 more would be 16. So let's write that down. Let's record 16. Okay. What is 1 less than 16? You took 1 away. What would that be? It would be 15. Good. If I were to keep counting 1 more, would it be what number? 17. Nice job, friends. Ready? Eyes up. What did you see and how did you see it? Did you notice that all of our beads are gone? So then you should have known it was how much? It was absolutely 20. Good job. So we've already answered this one. What was 1 less than 20? We're correct. Okay. So now if I'm counting, 1 more than 20 would be 19, 20, 21. Nice job, friends. Eyes up. What did you see and how did you see it? Let's take a closer look. Oh, again, did you see our 10 was gone? So we have 10, and did you notice that was 3? Nice. So 10 and 3 is how much? 13. So if I took away 1 from 13, what would I get? You are correct. It is 12. What if I added 1 more to 13? Yep, you got it. It is 14. All right, friends. Well done. Have a good day.